The Skoda Octavia is one of those car models that has not only survived the test of time, but they also thrive in an ever-changing world. Octavia's story begins in 1959 in the heart of Czechoslovakia when the first model with its name was launched. This was a stylish and spacious sedan which stood out for its modern design and reliability. The Skoda Octavia was produced until 1971 when it was replaced by the Skoda 1000 MB. After a 25-year hiatus, the Skoda Octavia returned to the market in 1996 with the first model developed after Skoda was taken over by the Volkswagen Group. The new Octavia has benefited from the technologies and expertise of the German group, offering a high level of quality, comfort, and safety. Under the hood, for the first generation, gasoline and diesel engines were installed with cylinder capacities between 1.4 liters and 2 liters. The Skoda Octavia received a facelift in 2000, which introduced aesthetic improvements to the exterior and interior, as well as an all-wheel drive version. If you watched this far, it means you like it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's free, and it helps us a lot to be able to continue this project. In 2004, Skoda launched the next generation Octavia. The design was refreshed and modernized, although the basic profile and shape of the car remained largely unchanged. In the interior, however, changes were seen at the aesthetic level, but also at the qualitative level. Skoda Octavia was based on the A5 platform of the Volkswagen Group and under the hood offering a range of engines specific to Volkswagen from 1.4-liter petrol to 2-liter diesel. The facelift came in 2009, bringing an updated exterior design with bolder headlights and a beefier grille. The interior has also been updated, receiving an improved navigation system. Skoda also brought a new engine, a 1.4-liter TSI that develops 122 horsepower. The evolution of the Skoda Octavia continues with the third generation, launched in 2013, which brings new changes. The exterior is redesigned with a bolder appearance with pronounced lines, but which still preserves the elegance that Skoda has accustomed us to. The interior is also an evolution, the words that describe it being minimalism, technology, and elegance. It was also equipped with the new driver assistance technology and advanced infotainment systems. Under the hood, Skoda has installed a very wide range of 1.2, 1.4, and 1.8-liter turbo petrol engines, as well as 1.6 and 2-liter diesel engines. The 2017 facelift brought split headlights, and the grille had a more defined look. The interior did not come with major changes, but with new infotainment units with up to 9.2-inch touchscreens, depending on the trim level. Skoda also made changes under the hood, where the 1.2-liter petrol units have been replaced with 1-liter units. The fourth generation Octavia was launched in 2020 and is the very evolution of this iconic model. Keeping the same cubist style specific to the brand, Octavia presented a new angular headlights that gave it a more aggressive look when viewed together with the new grille outlined very well by the chrome ornament. The rear is also new, and viewed from the side, the car offers a dynamic and slim appearance. Inside, minimalism and technology is at home if we look at the screens installed for the infotainment system and for the instrument panel, and as a first for Octavia, a heads-up display. The fourth generation of Octavia was equipped with gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and natural gas engines, varying between 110 horsepower and 204 horsepower with front or all-wheel drive systems. In 2024, Skoda Octavia received a mid-career refresh. The new model introduced a more aggressive face with revised LED headlights that better hug the front grille. As for the interior, the Skoda Octavia Facelift includes a 10-inch or 13-inch central display, digital instrument panel with a 10-inch screen, the virtual assistant with artificial intelligence ChatGPT integrated into the multimedia system. The range of engines include 4 petrol and 2 diesel units, some of which are associated with a 48V mild hybrid system. So this was the evolution of the Skoda Octavia, from its humble beginnings to its latest avant-garde iteration. With around 7 million units sold worldwide, the Octavia has come a long way to becoming one of the most loved and trusted cars in the world. What do you think about this series of the Czech manufacturer?